my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross, and exchange it someday for a crown. To the old rugged cross I will ever be true, then shame and reproach gladly bear. Then you'll call me someday to my home far away, where His glory forever I'll share. And I'll cherish the old rugged cross, till my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross, and exchange it someday for a crown.
Very nice.
Little girls.
Very nice.
Yeah. Okay, where's the oatmeal?
She said, "Where's my oatmeal?"
Oh, she's getting hungry now.
I wonder if we need to heat it up or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did she leave it here?
Yeah,
I don't
it's
know.
over there.
They did?
Yeah.
Here.
Could you bring brunch?
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I am found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior, has ransomed me. And like a flood, His mercy reigns, unending love, amazing grace. I don't know that much out here. Lord has promised good to me. His word my hope secures. He will my shield and portions be, as long as life endures. The earth shall soon dissolve like snow. The sun forbear to shine, but God who called me here below will be forever mine. You are forever mine. Okay, maybe like that.
I'm gonna sing my song.